Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, okay, well, call me like maybe a week before or something, and we'll set it up. You'll give me the guy's address and everything, and I'll send it to him, and you could just pay me PayPal or something. Cool. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, man. I'll see you soon. All right, cool. All right, ciao, buddy. Okay, so sorry about that. I was on the phone. These guys are supposed to take out my recycling. It looks like he's doing a good job so far. Hopefully he picks up everything. Because if he doesn't, I'm going to get a $400 ticket. So I'm going to just keep recording. And see when he's going to be done. If he left anything for me. I already got the $400 ticket. So I'm just checking if it was his fault or my fault. I mean, if he leaves boxes there, and then leaves, and then the inspector comes and says, hey, there's boxes here, you're dirtying the streets, here's a $400 ticket. It pretty much sucks. Just another way the government makes money, I guess. And by the way, according to the city of Montreal, this street is the cleanest street in the world. Or they're aiming to make it the cleanest street in the world. That's the letter I got that came with a ticket. Here's a $400 ticket. Please clean our streets because we want this street to be the cleanest street in the world. Good luck with that. Apparently they haven't been to Japan yet. Could eat off the floors over there. Oh, that's nice. I guess he's leaving. Let's go check. Let's go check if there's any boxes left. Hey, man. Sorry, I'm taking a video for, because I'm going to court for La Ville. I'll be with you in 5 minutes. Well, look at that. He left a box on purpose. Just so that I could get a fucking ticket. Amazing. He left some down there too. Oh, God. Oh, there you go. Proof. What more do you want?